What she said about me? Stop. Hey, Miss Sheena Wynn, the girl.
Hey, YouTube. We ain't see you in a long time. She in my ear. I lost my phone. You hear me?
Oh, that's crazy.
Y'all, this what the living room look like. So Christmassy. Thanks to Naya and Ari.
Stop. Drop and rumble.
So we just made it to the party. I told them I'ma cash out them $1.
Break up with your girlfriend.
My name is Ariana.
I'ma cash out. I told them I'ma cash out all them $1. If they talk like British people, y'all. But I'ma show y'all what the party look like. I'ma show y'all what the party look like in a minute. Y'all, we ran into police.
You get a notification for it?
I went from a 74 to 75.
How you feel? How you feel? Oh, 25 million. Say hey to the vlog, Polo. I ain't got my tripod, so I like an amateur, but I'm not an amateur.
I'm trying to get Polo fucked up.
Oh.
If you know,
Polo be lit.
Give me that Amsterdam. I'll fight the whole party.
Beat a bitch up.
What fucking party, bitch? I'll air this bitch out.
And that's period.
With my goddamn
And that's
hands.
period. Da-da-da-da-da.
Hey, what? Hey. Me one more time. I'm going to set it off in this motherfucker.
YouTuber, you just vlogging?
Girl, I'm a YouTuber.
What's your channel name?
Girl, Bria Naya. Ooh. Ooh. You ruined it up. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Get it, Kyle. I'm like, hey, man, to the house again, man, because that party was lame. Curious to see my number in this hole. Now you acting curious. He gonna buy me Gucci and bags for it. Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey. In the train. Hey. They dreaming. Oh.
Hey.
I focus on the low. She get it back right. She get it back. Beat it up. Hey.
It's 3:30 in the morning and we playing Never Have I Ever.
I'm crazy. Girl.
I love my roommates, y'all. They so cool. Say bye to the vlog, guys.
Never have I ever stepped in shit barefoot.
Bye.
Hey vlog. It's gonna be Thanksgiving next week. We pray for me.
Pray for her. She's scared and she's talking about Thanksgiving. But we all doing homework. It's the day after.
Y'all, my favorite.
We're just catching up on
legit
homework because yeah, it's the day after. But we're planning on going to a probate. This one I went to the probate. These. I got some. These. I got these. These was up my brown shoes. And then these. They really small though. I think I'm gonna go with these. These never disappoint. Ever. These are good. Look at Cass, y'all. That's my dog. That's my dog. That's my. Oh, that's my dog. Ooh. We made it to the probate. Say hey, guys.
Hey.
Whoa. Okay, let's go. Line it up, line it up, line it up. What you doing? Yeah. What you doing? It's your way, baby. What you doing?
Reading s'mores and watching movies.
Marshmallow. Look how it follows back.
Ooh, cheesy. This is Kaya. She's in the blanket. Say Merry Christmas, Kaya.
Merry Christmas to all the ho-ho-hos.
That's right. They watching Love Jones.
And then she do.
In his cash, she in her s'mores. And that's my s'more. I don't like too much dip on my chip, so I dipped it. I ain't make a sandwich. And then here's Gordon Ramsay. Here's the creator of it all. She made the s'mores for us. So yeah, we just chilling. We start class tomorrow.
Good night.
You gotta say to the vlog.
Good night to the blog. Love y'all. Peace.
What's up, guys? So I am currently making some breakfast for me and Ari. Please excuse how I look. Already been to class. I haven't been like consistently vlogging, but just know that I've been going to class and getting my life straight now. I have many papers and a presentation due this week, so just bear with me. But I'm making me and Ari some breakfast. I got the bacon going, cut up the sausage, and then Ari's over here watching Victorious while I cook. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. But it's crazy because the semester's almost over with, and I haven't vlogged that much. But just know that this spring semester, I'm gonna do better. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my breakfast, and I'm just gonna update y'all later, I guess, when I'm done stressing about my homework. Say hey, guys.
Hey, girl.
Oh. Wow, we just talking about Secret Santa.
What you did for me? I know last time in the vlog I said Fred was starting on my wig.
It's right now.
In the chair still.
It's gonna get done right now.
No, we gotta go.
Come on now, meet me halfway.
Okay, you gotta go in there in the morning.
Dang. It's like both of them
Both of us
halfway.
short
They're so little. They're just
Yeah.
about being tall.
They don't.
We made s'mores.
You're not even tall.
I don't know. We was in here till 3 o'clock.
Y'all what?
I gotta finish.
No, I ain't go to bed. Look at what? Look at my camera. I'm recording. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm studying. There's Cass, there's Naya, there's Ari, there's Kaya listening to music. Here's Bree, she's doing homework. But hey guys, I just want to get on here and basically kind of just update y'all my life. I literally just came from my Black leadership class, and I don't know if y'all know or not. I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but last week I went home for the week. It was a lot going on, and I came back and I had loads of homework and assignments and a presentation to do. Just a review of my morning. I went to class and realized that I left the thumb drive in the car. When I got to class, my teacher was saying that it's not going to work unless you have a flash drive because it wasn't projected on the screen. Enough time to come back to my car and get the flash drive and go back. I come way back to my car, go back to the class. It worked now. Nervous, I was like, nothing is going right, but it ended up going right, and I did very well, and I'm just very happy. But this has been like a very stressful week for me. My next class after this class has been canceled for the week, so that's really good. I just want to give thanks to God, and I just want to come on here and update you guys because I know I haven't been vlogging like my academics and stuff, and I really want to incorporate more of my like FAMU life and stuff like that. Y'all seeing me partying and being my roommates because yeah, for the last couple of days we've been lit, but it's only because we've been stressed. So now I'm just happy that I can relax, and I haven't been showing it because I just been very stressed and I haven't had the time to show you guys me stressing at FAMU. I'm about to go and get Shania. That's Naya, guys. Guys like this. Hey Naya.
Hey guys.
Thanks for the vlog, girl.
Hey vlog.
This is what I have on: some sweats, some pink shoes, and a little sweater. But I'm currently on my way to class. I hate this walk so much. It makes me so tired. I get tired every time. Pretty on this time, guys. But I just got out of class early. Class was canceled. Like we were supposed to watch a movie, but the movie wasn't playing, so she canceled class. I could have stayed home. I'm sick of this. So I'm back at the house, about to submit this paper. I'm gonna take me a fat nap, okay? My Spanish homework's having my presentation and do my reading inquiry. It's Ari, being Ari. But alright guys, I was just coming on here to update y'all, so yeah. Cassidy over there, she's singing them other We can have neighbors' music. She gonna start singing their music. I thought you was playing it. That's how loud it is. You think they can hear us? Probably. Turn that damn music down. I'm finna take the best nap of my life.
Hey YouTube, so right now Bria just asleep and we're hacking her channel. Okay, nasty. I don't know if let's go look at Bria shit, y'all. Brie, say hey to the vlog.
Get the on my face. I just woke up from my nap. Here go Kyle.
Hey girl.
This me, and then that's Ari.
You be quick to say this.
Ari.
I am so hungry.
You still. Oh, okay. Hold on. Never mind.
Oh, you want me to start this? You got
Yeah.
something to say? Good morning, vlog.
Hey y'all.
Me and I were walking to class this early morning, and I'm so tired. Doesn't even feel like reality, but you can probably hear it in my voice that I'm tired. I had a really bad headache last night, and it kept waking me up. So yeah, I'm just walking to class. Good morning, guys. Ooh! Guys, today is Thursday, and I'm currently on my way to class. Also doing Secret Santa, so I'm gonna make sure I show you guys that. So I'm gonna head to class now, and then once I get out of class, I'm gonna be coming back home. So I guess I'm gonna just update y'all a little later. 10:30 tonight.
7:30.
7:30.
I gotta go study.
I just washed my hands, Bob. All right. Bye, Bridget.
What's that?
How you gotta eat the booty bread. Eat the booty bread. Eat the booty bread. Look like eat the booty bread. 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 The who? Take it to the who? Take it.
Not that. It's not like
That's
that. Hey, talk that shit on your face.
Y'all serious? I can't even put my head back.
Move.
I'm on my way to class, and it is currently hot outside. It was cold earlier, so that's why I have on this sweater and tights. And then I just have to get through tomorrow my Spanish class, which is my morning class, and then I'll be done for the week. I want to know what it's really like to be a college student. I had this outfit on yesterday. The reason I put it on again today was because I was in my morning class for like 55 minutes. I barely wore the outfit. Why not wear it again? Why waste clothes? I already have to do laundry, and laundry is $3. Why not?
When Ghost went to snitching, I started to lose respect. I was like, you got to die now.
Ghost didn't die. Ghost not dead.
I want him to be dead.
I bet money Ghost ain't dead.
I like daycare where she make her money at.
Do you see how?
Yeah, okay, so I got this splinter in my hand when I went home.
It's going on. So move. That bit not gone. Hell. And I don't know what I'm grabbing because the shit not there.
Y'all kite.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
You found the bug. Big. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bria Knight, and today is Friday. I didn't do anything but go to class and came home and went to sleep. I was asleep from 10 until like 4:30. Oh my god. No. Go, Kyle, spray it.
Don't do that. Oh my gosh. I'm scared.
Oh my god. That thing. Okay, Kyle, that's a no.
That's fuck.
Let it. The next day, and I'm in Cracker Barrel with my roommates. There's Cav, there's Kaya, Ari, and Naya, and we're getting breakfast at Cracker Barrel. What's up, y'all? And I'm just coming on here so I can close out this week's vlog. I know the vlog was kind of like all over the place, but just please bear with me. There are times where I kind of like forgot to vlog, and really I just been going to class. One of my classes got canceled, so I wasn't really on campus. I really just spent the week hanging out with my roommates, just chilling, doing some work, stressing, partying, whatever. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all comment below any video suggestions you guys would like to see. I am almost to 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna be doing a road to 1K marathon very soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you also follow me on all my social media so you can stay updated with my life, and I will see y'all in my next video.